chicken.
Kambing soup. This one, babak ah.
Babak.
This guy is babak boy.
Meat
Intestine ha.
This one.
Babak also.
Babak also.
This one also babak. This one also babak. Babak ah. Babak. So
Me, Zainul.
this one, yeah, use food na.
This assistant engineer.
Yeah, this
Assistant manager.
master manager. Eating now babak. So manager eating kambing. Yeah.
You like also this?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, man.
So let's go, let's eat.
What's that?
So babak this one, oh. See? Laman loob. Tay tarik also ah. Tay tarik. Yeah, minom tay tarik. Order tayo. Yes. Let's go, Malodi. Kambing. Kita nyo naman yan, may taba-taba pa oh.
Kambing in Philippines.
Masarap. Same kambing.
Kambing also.
Yeah, you kambing, not kambing.
You are kambing.
Yeah, kambing ah. So, ito kambing ah. So, let's go. Si Auntie Pilipina. Salamat ah. Boss, salamat. Yo.
When you say
So, kakain tayo mga Lodi. So, kambing, let's go. This it. This guy oh. This Mr. Beringo.
Mr. Betty. You need to lap your camera first. Blur.
No, it's not okay.
Apa ni?
Hoy. Kambing, ha? Apa ni?
Hey, like this.
Like this ah. So we put here.
This one
Lagyan din ng sauce, no? Yun.
Very high. High uric.
Yeah, first bite, fats. Lambot ah.
What's lambot in Malaysia?
Lambot. Tender.
Also lambot.
Too tender. So also okay. Lambot also ah. Same ah. Oh, so no strong lambot ah. You lambot?
Lembut.
No strong. You strong lambot.
Strong.
Strong ah. This one lambot. Okay. So, kumakain na sila oh. Sarap ng kain. Nakita mo naman yan. So, finish. Finish already ah.
Ayat.
Ayat kita. Me last bite.
Me last bite.
So, last bite also?
Last bite.
Last bite ah. Yes. Kita nyo naman. Sarap ng kain. This guys, favorite is laman loob o babak ah. Babak. Yan. So also only babak also. Babak ah. Intestine ah, babak ah.
Intestine.
Oh yeah. So yeah. Grabe, napakasarap kumain mga Lodi. Thank you sa inyong pagsama sa amin. Wala pa yung drinks namin, no? Yes! Yo, Mr. Adam, see? Yeah, relax. Taob ang isang mangkok. Taka nyo naman mga kinainan ng mga to. So, grabe. Parang dinilaan ng kambing. See? Thank you guys sa paglibre ha. Thank you very much. Thank you. Senol, thank you ha. Ayan. See you tomorrow. Ito yung ginagay na namin dito, itong presyo. Yan, kita nyo yung mga sabaw na yan, no? Yan, napakasarap yan.
Okay.
Iwa pa si Box pa. So yan. Sadap banyak. Banyak ka babay ha. Good ha. Balik ha. Hindi balik. Yes. Super sarap. So yung shop nila.